In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to feel mentally exhausted and overwhelmed. But don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we'll explore effective techniques to enhance mental clarity and bring peace to your mind. Whether you're facing stress, anxiety, or simply want to improve your focus, these strategies will help you take control of your thoughts and boost your overall well-being. So, let's get started. 1. Practice mindful breathing. One of the easiest yet most powerful ways to calm your mind is through mindful breathing. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling slowly through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. Pay attention to the sensation of the air flowing in and out of your body. This simple practice helps ground your thoughts in the present moment and clears mental clutter. 2. Try meditation. Meditation is another excellent tool for clearing your mind. You don't need hours to see results. Just 5 to 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably, and focus on your breath or a specific mantra. This practice trains your brain to release distractions and fosters inner peace. 3. Stay organized. A cluttered space often leads to a cluttered mind. Spend a few minutes each day organizing your surroundings, whether it's your workspace, home, or even your thoughts. Writing down tasks, making to-do lists, and prioritizing responsibilities can greatly reduce stress and improve mental clarity. 4. Reduce information overload. In today's digital world, we are constantly bombarded with information. Setting limits on how much content you consume is crucial. Consider taking breaks from social media, reducing your news intake, and prioritizing quality over quantity. This will help prevent mental exhaustion and allow your brain to process information more efficiently. 5. Stay active. Exercise benefits not only your body but also your mind. Physical activity triggers the release of endorphins, natural mood boosters that help reduce stress. Whether it's a brisk walk, yoga, or a full workout, moving your body can clear mental fog and elevate your mood. 6. Prioritize sleep. Getting enough sleep is vital for mental clarity. Without adequate rest, your brain struggles to function properly. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a calming bedtime routine, such as reading, taking a warm bath, or practicing relaxation techniques to help you unwind. 7. Stay hydrated and eat well. Your diet directly affects your mental performance. Dehydration and poor nutrition can lead to fatigue and brain fog. Drink plenty of water throughout the day and maintain a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Your brain will thank you. I hope these strategies help you achieve balance and focus in your daily life. Remember, it's about discovering what works best for you and making small, consistent changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on nurturing your mind, body, and soul. Until next time, take care and stay mindful.